What's goody, people? Waking up in the morning, about to get ready to trade. Obviously, just getting up. Gonna clean myself up, and I'm gonna see y'all on the charts. All right, so I'm gonna leave this on for 5 minutes, and I'll see y'all in a second. All right, and I'm back, and we're ready to go. So let's jump into the charts. All right, good morning, my beautiful people. We're currently looking at the charts. We're looking at NASDAQ 100 Index E-mini. So today's news, so I didn't really want to look at the charts until news was about to hit. We're 4 minutes off news right now. And yes, we got 10 a.m. news. Eastern Standard Time. And we're just waiting to see how news affects the market, and then we're going to start looking for setups after that. So right now, the zones or points of interest that I'm just going to have marked up, we see its price is rejecting off of this part up here. So just put a line there just so we know price touches that zone, or if price breaks above that zone, that's something to notice, because if it breaks up above the zone, it's possible we could be pushing towards the highs down over here. But also on the downside, if it pushes down here, I wouldn't enter any sell until I see it drop below this, to be honest. Yeah, I would not hop in anything until I see it drop below this. So, like, realistically, I don't like the sell side. Even if it drops below this spot here, low key, there's still a lot of liquidity here, so it might just bounce off of this. Honestly, I'm not looking at sales. Sales are looking freaking terrible today. Tuesdays usually aren't the best days. I'm in a signals chat as well, and I seen that they decided to take trades before news, and they just lost money. Thank God I didn't take those trades. And that's why you gotta really just trust yourself. Like, you can't really be doing this signal stuff, because you could be listening to someone else, and then when you lose money, you're gonna be upset because you listened to them. It's just better to lose on your own terms and win on your own terms, because at least that way you can sleep at night and like not feel any type of way, at least for me. So I really just joined this. I don't want to expose the signals chat, because no, I'm not gonna do that. But like, I joined it just to see what type of setups other traders were taking, and yeah, like they won yesterday. It wasn't a setup I would take. Honestly, I shouldn't have even traded yesterday because I lost money. But like, they won, and then they lost today so far. But they're waiting for another setup after news. So yeah, maybe we end up taking the same trade by chance. But yeah, I'm gonna stick to my strategy. I'm gonna show y'all my strategy when I see the move. We're getting some good volume to the downside, as we see over here. I think it's retesting this zone, so it's probably gonna reject when it hits here. Gonna see a rejection somewhere around here. Now, some traders would just take the trade here. They'd be like, oh, okay, it's hitting the zone. I'm just gonna take the rejection, and then I'm gonna just hop in, put it right behind where it rejects. Maybe they'll do like something like this. Put it behind the zone, and they'll go for like a 1-to-1. So like 77 for 77. This would be their trade. They may enter here. This is their stop loss. They'll go for a 1-to-1, and they'll be out at this point. Let's see if that would hit. Oh yeah, and the candles I'm using are Heikin-Ashi candles. It's just easier to see price volume, so you won't end up just hopping in quick candles, because like these candles take their time. They take a while because they're a reflection of the volume, whereas like the normal candles are a lot more volatile. And yeah, with the way I was taught recently, we use these candles, the Heikin-Ashi candles. Honestly, it's just made trading easier for me. Y'all can take notes. Okay, so it didn't reject out that zone. Shit, if I scalped that shit, I would have got hit out. Thank God I ain't scalped that. See, that's the 10 o'clock news. That's why, yeah. So it's 10 o'clock officially. That's the news hitting. I like it. I like it, actually. I like the volume. We're going straight into the zones down here. I like it. There's a lot of rejection, though. Look at all these zones. Look at all these points of interest. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Price rejected out the zone 4 times in the last day. So this is a major rejection zone. Yeah, price is already pushing back up off the zone. Still trying to go down though. We're still trying to go down. Yeah, I would not take any sells. Honestly, I wouldn't take anything in this zone. Wouldn't take any of this. Honestly, I have a suspicious feeling I'm not going to take any trade today, because yeah, like this is kind of ass. Like the volume's good, but like until we break out of this zone. Oh shoot, we're gonna break out of it though. Oh shoot. Nah, but I need a pullback now because we have so much sell volume that we just got a huge red line. And like for people who don't really understand what I'm talking about, like when there's so much sell volume, the market's gonna correct itself. So you don't really want to hop in when it's been selling for this long already. Like look how much, let's see how much ticks we've already gone down. Like, yeah, how many ticks have we already dropped? So we've already dropped 572 ticks, which is crazy, very high volume. So you want to at least see a retracement of half of that. So what's 550 divided by 2? 300 or 275, 275. So I want to see it come at least back to this line up here. Put an alert on that before we start taking sales. So if it comes back, oh my god, and it's just bursting through. Okay, so it just broke out of that rejection zone. But the only reason I'm not entering this is because it's not pulling back, which means it could turn around at any second. So entering this trade at this point would literally be gambling. But like the market might just be, honestly with that news, it might just fully just tank. Like there might not be any pullback, which would suck because then there's no entry. One of my alerts was hit. Yeah, if it doesn't pull back, there's no entry for us. The trade left without us. I guess you could say this initial breakout was the entry, the 10 a.m. news, which is such a trash entry. I would never enter that. Sometimes you just gotta take the L and just like follow your rules, because if you just hop in any trade, even if you win, it's not a good practice because in the long run you're gonna lose that money and give it back to the market. So see, look, the pullback's finally coming, finally getting the pullback. I'm hoping, like I said, it brings us at least back up to this zone and retest this white line up here. Yeah, and then if it starts dropping again, I can be looking for some sells. But to be honest, there's just so much imbalance created right here. Like if we even look at the 5-minute, it's just like very strong. Yeah, so like we got some fair value gap up here, or imbalance, whatever you want to call it. See, I just call it imbalance. Some traders want to call it FVG or a fair value gap, but it's like it is a fair value gap, but whatever. I just call it an imbalance. So we got a little imbalance over here in these areas. Hopefully, it just can like start trying to retouch some of those. But I'm just hoping it can at least retouch this line here. Bounce out this sort of zone we got going on here. But low key, it might just come. Nah, it's going. Yeah, it's going. It's coming up. It's coming up. Yeah, it's just sold so heavily. But yeah, if it does continue selling after a pullback, we could look to target this zone down here, which is, because there's a lot of liquidity sitting here. And for people who don't know what liquidity is just places where people entered in the trade. So for example, this would be a common place for people to enter on a buy trade, because you see it's going up. It kind of has a pattern going on. It's up, down, and people tend to enter on the pullback when it's going down and on the buys. So yeah, these down points here, this is all money. So it's all people's entries who entered in trades before, and yeah, the market just comes to collect them. Okay, it looks like we're going back down. Yeah, so the market basically just collects money. It hunts money. Okay, whoa. See, like, that wasn't the pullback we were looking for, but that could be a reflection of the volume. Now, what I like to do is I create a little box. Okay, good. Let's go up. Yeah, like, come on. Like, if it just keeps selling, like, it's tempting. I won't lie. Like, if it keeps selling, it's tempting. But, like, we didn't get a strong pull. So, like, here's what I do, though. I would put a little box. It's like our little zone. A box around the candle points, the points of rejection. And what I would do, since we're currently below the volume weighted average, the VWAP, which is this, it's just the average volume of price. Now that we're below it, that means sells have now taken over from what was previously a more bearish market or a more bullish market. So now we're just looking to have price keep going down, but we need the correction first. But like if I was just gonna take the trade, I would wait for it to break below this, and then I would just hop in. I don't like this so far. I don't like it. And when I say breakout, I mean price comes down here, closes below this line, and it just maybe comes up a bit, then just goes down, and it just keeps going down, as you see, into the zone I mentioned earlier. Yeah, we just keep taking it till it hits pretty much this zone. So let me add a line. We got our zone right here. Like that. We'd be basically looking for that. For it to just get down, take this zone here. Might go more, but like Tuesdays, like I'm telling y'all, man, don't be betting on Tuesdays. Don't bet on Tuesdays. Just don't bet on Tuesdays. Tuesdays are not the day. Usually not the day. I won't even lie to y'all. At least for me and my strategy. I'm actually expecting not to take a trade. So you need to have the mentality that the market's not going to get you to take a trade. Because that's how you save money. That's how you don't lose money. Like the market's going to have to force me to take the trade, you know? Yeah, and my account balance. Actually, no, I don't need this. Whatever. My account balance is like... Oh, shoot. See, like, this is tempting. Oh, we got to break out. Fuck it. We're going to hop in on a 1. We're going to do 450 to 150. Ooh, it's bouncing off that zone. Wait. Ooh, almost got me. Ooh, almost got me. Wait, it's bouncing off. That's actually a strong rejection. What is this zone right here? I have it marked. Okay, yeah, it's rejecting. Double bottom. Yeah, I just made a double bottom. Okay. Okay, but yeah, that was the breakout I was looking for, but you see how low we already are? That's why it can reverse at any point, and that was exactly my point. You could see a breakout, and then it could just instantly reverse on you. Because it's eventually, at some point, going to have to go back up and correct all this sell side volume. It's just going to have to. So if it just keeps dropping, there's no entry for me, to be honest. Okay, it's coming up. Whew. Almost fell for that. See, but that's the type of breakout, like I said, I was looking for. We're just looking for this, like, to close below this. But as you guys seen, why I didn't enter this is because it closed below this and then it bounced instantly back up. Now, this one's coming again after that bounce. But now, because it bounced back up, my zone gets updated and it would look something like this. So now I'm waiting for a break below this double bottom. And it low-key looks like it's doing that right now. Low-key. I would not hop in any of this. Still. Like, it's tempting. But, like, it's like, where's the pullback, bro? There's no pullback. There's a lot of liquidity for it to come down into, but, like, there's just no pullback. There's no pullback. No pullback at all. I just want to see a pullback. At this point, when it goes this far down, there is another strat I use. It's called the W strat. I don't know if it's going to work in 2025, but like it was working last year. So it's like, when it goes this deep down, the reversal is usually really strong. So instead of looking for more sells when it's already oversold right now, at least as a scalper, this is oversold. I'm already 600 pips out of the move, so like, there's no point in just trying to hop in now. So what I would do is wait to see price go down, go up, go down, not as much, and then there's gonna be one candle that just bursts up. I'd hop in on that candle. I put my stop loss behind that candle, and that candle will go for like crazy amount. Like, it'll go from like down here to like literally this white line, which would be how many? 500 ticks. 500 ticks right there. And it's like, it's a pretty consistent strat. It's worked a lot. But at the same time, I have not been using that strat in a long time. Because I like to trade on the side of the trend. I don't really like looking for reversals, but like when it's oversold like this, the reversals tend to be much easier to catch. Alternatively, we're probably going to see a lot of manipulation before that reversal comes along. Well, that W strat is the manipulation, but like, I don't know. Either way, we can expect manipulation shortly after this. It's not just going to give us the plays. And you know, if you don't know what manipulation is, it just means the market's fucking with you. Like, that's the best way to put it. Like, price will go up, it'll go down, and then it'll start going up, and then it'll go down just to hit you out, and then it'll start going up again. Or alternatively, it'll just go up and down, up and down, up and down, and range within the same zone for like a period of time. And then it'll look like it's a breakout sometimes, where it's like it breaks out of that zone it was ranging in, but then it'll hunt back into that zone to retest it, and then it'll really break out. So manipulation is basically just trickier plays, trickier entries. Honestly, it's just a period in the market where you don't want to be entering trades because you will probably lose your money. Okay, see, we're getting that push up. See, this is the W strat. Watch this, guys. Watch this. I might not enter it because I'm just not trying to enter in trades that are reversals, to be honest. Or it's just going to go straight up from here, but that's even worse. It's even worse. When it just goes straight down and straight up, oh my god. Then there's no place for us at that point. Okay. So we go down. Yeah, like I said, the W strat. Watch this. Watch this. So it goes down. It goes up. It goes down, not as much. Watch, it's going to go down. Eventually, it's going to go down, not as much. And it's going to go up. And we're going to see a strong candle burst up outside of this zone just a bit. And that is an entry for this strat, for the reversal. I low-key want to give it a try, but like I'm not trying to risk my account. I value my account. And I'm not going to, I might, like if it actually like goes word for word like I'm saying, I'm going to have to hop in that entry. But if it's even a little off, don't enter. That's the way to save your money. That's the way, well, we're not trying to save money, we're trying to make money, but like that's the way to just not lose your money, because when there's no setups, there's no setups. And all you could do is lose your money when there's no setups. So yeah, I'm seeing the W start to form. Just to clarify for y'all, you see this? We got down, we got up, we got down, not as much. It's like a weird W, but like y'all see the W. Then we go up again, see W. Or it's just creating a consolidation zone where it's just going to start ranging in this zone. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, and then boom, it might push up, might sneak you, trick you guys, pushes up, comes back down to retest, and then it really goes up. And just because that's a possibility, if it breaks out the zone, I'm not hopping in. I'm only hopping in if I see a retest. Because I can't let this market finesse me. No, no, no. You ain't finessing me. No, sir. Alright, y'all. We gonna get this money, man. We gonna get this money. We gonna make this money today. We gonna make this money. Like I said, look. Volume's losing. It goes down. It goes up. It goes down. Volume doesn't go as down. I could hop in now, but like I'm not gonna bet on that. No, sir. Until I see that burst candle up. So far, it's following exactly what I expected to. Sell volume's dying, buy volume's coming in. It's struggling to get below that line. It's coming, guys. I'm telling y'all, the reversal is on its way. I'm curious what they're saying in that signals chat right now. I don't want to show it, though. I think my screen's going to show it. I don't want to just show it, because what'd I tell y'all? Just to make it more clear for some of y'all. Look at this. This was the last low. Oh, whoops. This was the last low. And now we see, ooh, never mind. It's increasing volume. But now we see this low. The next low is higher than the last low. indication of a loss of volume, potential reversal, but hold on. Hold on. It's coming down though. It's coming down. It's retesting, I guess. You could say this is a retest. It's retesting the zone. Retesting the zone. Yeah, this shit's coming down now. What's going on here? Yeah, it just retested it. It came down. Oh no, it rejected back up. See, this low still the highest low. We're losing volume, guys. The reversal is coming. This is a method you could use to catch reversals. Am I gonna try it on trade live? Okay, now see it. The volume's increasing again. Sell side volume is coming in. Ooh, we're really going down still. We're really going down still. Really? We're still selling? Fuck it. I'm gonna hop in. Wait. Let me just see. I want to see it go just a little bit below this. Go more. Oh, fuck. It's actually still dropping? I'm waiting for the next candle. We're in. We're in. We're in. It's still dropping. Ooh, and it's coming back up. Is this a fake drop? Fuck this and get out. Yeah, close this, close this, close this. Alright, we lost 20 bucks. We're good. Nah. 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 I can't trust these trades, bro. See, that's what you don't want to do. And that's what you also have to make sure you do as a trader. You gotta journal that. You gotta write that down. Cause you gotta write that down so you see what you did wrong, what you did right. See, look, it lost volume instantly after. Thank God I hopped out of that shit. No, we don't want to hop in those. Whatever. I lost nothing. But holy fuck. See, this why. Oh my God. Thank God I hopped out of that shit, bro. Oh fuck. Okay. Today is January 7th. Alright. See, look at that candle. That cheeky little guy coming up. This guy thinks he's slick. Oof. See, that's a breakout though. Like, as you guys see, this is good structure. Like, typically this would be a good trade. It goes up, it goes down. It goes down, it goes up, comes down. You see this really good structure. If we change into a line chart, it's so much more clear. Look at this. Just going up, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down, it's going up. But that's why you got to have the other skills as a trader, the technical analysis, knowing that we've been oversold. So at any moment it could reverse. Like I said, it broke out and then it just randomly reversed. Did it hit some type of zone down here? Like, yeah, these are all zones. These are the zones. So I guess it hit one of those. Yeah, hit one of those. Hit this one here. Then it bounced up. Alright, let's mark that down. It's a new zone right now. Yeah, okay. Huh. Whew. Ooh-wee. It's probably the real reversal, or it's just going to start manipulating and consolidating. And then you got to list down your trade rationale. My trade rationale is that we're well below the VWAP, the volume weighted average, and I seen a very solid breakout to the downside after I seen solid structure where it fell down, it came up, and it came down. So that's why I entered. But I noticed volume was dropping. That wasn't the play. And yeah. Ooh, so it's just gonna go up like this. Goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up. It should still go down, just not as much. I'm hoping it doesn't just start going fully up, because then we just walk away. Then we're done. There's nothing left to see. We're already 500 plus ticks into a sell. You never want to enter a sell that deep into the move. You only get in early. Into a sell. Result, lost 20 bucks. Alright, that's one trade. The losing streak continues. We're 4 losses in a row right now. See, that's good risk management though. I'm 4 losses in a row and I'm still in profit. That's risk management. 4 losses. Because the trades I take, they have to be at least a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, or it's not even worth taking. That's how I maintain my risk management, so that when I lose, I don't lose my whole account. But yeah, this looking like a shitty Tuesday. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Ain't nothing to trade, bro. I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna say it here. This ain't it. Okay, this line's useless now. Not relevant. See, we got our zone. Y'all see the zone? We got this. Top, bottom. Now we gonna see what it does. Is it gonna break out? Or is it just gonna range in the zone? Like a little ranger. We don't want the rangers. We don't like the rangers. Nah. Nah, nah, nah. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah. Market's not a very forgiving, kind place. Looks like this is still going up. I don't believe in this buy volume. I don't believe in it. You're not tricking me. I don't believe in it. My prediction is that it's gonna pull back. Let's see if I'm right. I think it'll maybe go up to this, and then it's gonna pull back. So this is just a clear indication that we're gonna have some type of reversal, pullback, and as you see, it's happening right now. So yeah, this would have been a trade right here. You hop in this, maybe you hopped in up here, and then yeah, some traders do this. They just put it a bit below this zone, and they'll go for like a 1 to 2 or 1 to 1. So my stop loss is 180 about. So you'd go for like 360. If you want to go for 1 to 2, but some people just go for 1 to 1, so they're already out the trade. Just go for 180 again and easy. They're already out. In, out. Nice little trade they got there. I think it's gonna bounce on this zone. Na 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 na. What's the signals chat saying? What's the signals chat? Did y'all hop in anything? Maybe they hopped in the 10 a.m. news candle. That was a shitty trade though. Cause let's see, we hopped in the 10 a.m. news candle. Say hypothetically you hopped in it. Yeah, this is it. 150. We did 150 tick stop loss. We went for 300. No, it would have hit. That was a good entry. I lie. Nah, this was a good trade. I missed the trade. I'm realizing I missed the trade, bro. I missed the trade. The entry was at 10 a.m. I missed the trade. Yeah, I missed the trade. I don't trust news candles, bro. Bro, news have me thinking that something's gonna happen, bro. Nothing happened. What'd I tell you guys? See, look, it's hitting the zone and now it's pulling down. But it's like, bro, these news making me think something's gonna happen. All it did was just drop a high volume candle. See, if it wasn't news, I'm gonna tell you all real quick. If it wasn't news, this is the plays I enter. Yeah, breakouts. Breakout here at 10 a.m. I would have entered here. 150 stop loss. And then I would have went for 450 because I always go for 1 to 3. And it would have hit. So we missed the trade. It's alright. I expected news to do some silly stuff, but it really didn't do anything. It really didn't do anything. But still, I stuck to the rules. I remained cautious with news. And I didn't make any money today. Oh my god. But yeah, like that was an entry. 10 a.m. news. Oh my god, that was so ass. And then there's news tomorrow. Oh my god. And then it's Wednesday. 2 p.m. news. Oh my gosh. Wednesday it's 50-50. When it has 2 p.m. news, you're either gonna get a good morning session or a complete garbage one. Alright, here comes the sell. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. That was the trade right there. That's hilarious. I should have looked at ES1. Let's look at ES1. ES1's my confluence. My confluence pair. Confluence pairs are pairs that just move like super similar. They're almost identical. ES1 and Nas are very similar. See, we got similar moves, as you see. Nas just had more cell volume, it looks like. See, this looks like cell structure to the typical, maybe somebody thinks this is cell structure. Because it's going down, it goes up, it goes down. But it already broke cell structure as soon as it broke this high here. So I missed my trade. I didn't trust the 10 candle, man. Because we already... I should have just hopped in, huh? Because we already had a zone. I thought there was going to be a bounce. There was no bounce. Like, it got into this area. See, that's why I didn't enter. Because it got into this area. Look how many times it rejected out this spot. I was expecting if even a small bounce, but there was absolutely no bounce. It just... This isn't even a rejection zone no more, so this is not marked anymore. It didn't respect this zone, so it's not accurate no more. It did not respect that. Oh, wait, it's respecting it now, though. Yeah. It's respecting it here. I think I need to close this chart. There's nothing left, man. Retesting this zone down here. This is low-key giving another entry. You know what? This is low-key a buy entry, like, old jokes aside. How much? Psych. I need to see it lose volume before I trust that. No, it's actually a buy entry, though. Unless it's going to break below this. Oh, my God. I'm not entering any more cells. I'll tell you that. I'm not entering any more cells. I'm done with the cells. No shot. Could be going for this zone. It could be. But, like, it's already sold so much, bro. It didn't even come up to this zone. It actually is breaking out. Jeez. It's really breaking out. I'm not hopping in this, though. I'm just gonna watch. I already lost 30 bucks today. It's not real money. I'm doing a funded challenge, but whatever, bro. I don't trust this play one bit. So it's just coming to take out the liquidity down here. Yeah, it's coming for this. I'll set an alert here then. Looks like it really wants to touch this zone. Really wants to get in there. Nah. Might even want to get this zone. So you might see a short-term sell from here to down here. That's still 300 ticks. Jeez. Whatever. I can't be hopping in this. Okay, let's look at ES1. It's also going down. ES1 tells you the truth though. As we see in ES1, this is losing volume. As I initially thought, this was the entry. It's actually a good buy entry. But because I don't want to enter this type of trade. Actually, like it's a buy entry. They literally just gave us an entry right now. If you hop in a buy from here, okay, let's see. Let me see if I can make it a small stop loss. If I can make my stop loss tight, I'll hop in. If I can make it a tiny stop loss. Alright. Yeah, but see, like ES1 is showing us this does not want to keep selling. It's sick of selling. It wants to go back up into the moon, to the stars. Let's see. Okay, 200. Yeah. Oh, so it did go 50%. This is the 50% mark. That is a 50%. So we're still on a bearish market then. We're still some bears. Bears. Okay. Now I'm really curious. You know what? I'm going to just blur it out when I edit it. I'm going to see what the signals chat's saying. See what's going on. Did they make some money? Yeah, they took the sell. They took the 10 a.m. sell that I missed. Yeah, they took it. Or they took the 10:01. Yeah, they took it. Damn, they took it. Yeah, and obviously it hit as I saw earlier. Yeah. Oh my God. Well, you win some, you lose some. Damn. Full TP hit. These guys just got... Yeah, they got... That's crazy. Okay, yeah. Well, it hit. I missed the play. I think that's a sign to get out this market right now before I just lose money. Literally. We missed the play at 10 a.m. Well, I had my reason. There was the fact that... Oh, it's still the wrong chart. Whoops. It's just the fact that this zone was just so heavily rejected that I thought we'd see something. Some type of push. We had so much rejection here. We had none of that, though. This candle just cleared it. And it came up a bit, but then it just kept selling. Whatever. It is what it is. We stop. We don't miss it. It is what it is. We don't make no money today. Yeah, I'm done with this chart. I'm done. Alright. That's gonna be the end of this video, man. We made no money, we lost. Let's see how much we lost exactly. Let me see exactly how. Oh, 25 bucks. Okay. We lost 25 bucks. Right, the losing streak continues, but whatever. I mean, we didn't enter anything stupid. No, we didn't really enter anything stupid. We just missed a 10 a.m. entry. And yeah, there was no entry after that. After it didn't reject on this zone, my trades were done. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. We'll be back tomorrow morning. If this day had such a good move, I think tomorrow's gonna be pretty ass. But we'll see. Anyways, I'm out.